Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today I am going to make quick and easy dry gobi Manchurian. For this recipe I have taken cauliflower. I have taken about 20 pieces. This is cut into small pieces. You can see the size of the cauliflower. To make the batter for the gobi Manchurian, we need CHANNA dal flour or besan 2 tablespoons, corn flour 3 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon rice flour, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, soy sauce 1 tablespoon, red hot chili sauce 1 tablespoon, 4 to 5 drops red food color, salt as needed, and oil for frying. I need extra half teaspoon chili powder and half teaspoon ginger garlic paste to mix with the boiled cauliflower. Before getting all the ingredients, we can start boiling water in a saucepan. Let's make a thick paste using all the ingredients. We can add little water to it. If you want it to be spicy, you can add more chili powder. Masala for the gobi Manchurian is ready. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the boiling water. Add cauliflower and leave this for a minute. After 1 minute, drain all the water completely. To this, I'm going to add half teaspoon chili powder and half teaspoon ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Heat oil in a pan. Dip the cauliflower in the masala and deep fry it. This is almost done. We can remove it from the oil. This is a very quick and easy recipe and very tasty too. Please try this recipe and post your comments, and also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.